everyone from Istanbul. I just went out for a walk on a Sunday and I bumped into some cats. Hello kitties. Yeah, I already gave them some food. And let's see, this is a fella. You can tell from his size. Are you a boy as well? Yeah, you're a boy as well. And these are two kittens. This is a boy who's been neutered, I can tell from the ear. And this is a mama cat, I think. And there are no clips in the ear. Hey, mama cat. Is it time for you to retire? Enjoy these kittens. Look at these kittens. Oh, hello. So soft. Oh, very friendly. So lovely to meet you. You have the best view as well. Look at that.